Hey folks, today I'll show you what to do if you have no sound in After Effects. First, ensure the sound icon is enabled here. It should look like this. Next, check that all audio sliders are up and you can even check the mixer. Let's also look at Windows. There's a preview here. Make sure the sound is on here. If there's a preview, check the audio there too. Ensure everything's working properly. You can also check yourself. In After Effects settings. Let's go there now. Look for audio here, okay? Audio hardware. Here, select your default device and click OK. That's all, folks.